Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to take a brief look at something in the VisualWorks GUI editor, and that is positioning. So once you've laid your widgets out, and I've got a bunch of widgets laid out here on this GUI, never mind what it's for, so I've just got stuff laid out. This one here for the positioning, I've got absolute numbers here, so I'm saying position the left edge of the widget here with an offset of 5 pixels, top edge here, offset, and so on. You can do things that way. You can also, as I've done with the sky, put in offsets that are percentages, so between 0 and 1. So I can say I want to offset the right edge of this 0.3 with an offset of 0. I want to start this one at 0.5, the bottom, and offset of 0. So that means that the bottom will be halfway down the interface. And I can go ahead and then lay things out next to each other by keeping track of that. Now it'd be nice if in the tool set you were able to tell one widget that you want it to be laid out relatively to another one. That would be a nice thing, but it doesn't do that. In any case, if you keep track of this stuff, you can lay things out so that the tool resizes nicely. And this is pretty much what you need to do. So that's one thing I wanted to go through, is that with the positioning tool, you can go through and set things either with percentages, or you can come in here with absolute numbers like I did with this one. So I'll select this again. A little delay there because I've got this running in Windows. So you can come in here and see the numbers. So you can do it either way. In any event, the other thing I wanted to point out that's kind of interesting is I'm running this in Windows because even though I'm using the VisualWorks GUI builder, I'm in Object Studio. So this points out another feature. If you're in Object Studio, you have access to all the VisualWorks tools and all the Object Studio tools, and you can take your pick. You can run the Object Studio tools, you can run the VisualWorks tools, or in the case of some of the things like the inspectors and the workspaces, you can run the VisualWorks ones, and it takes advantage of the fact that it's in Object Studio. So you can mix and match the tool set based on your personal strengths and the needs of your project, which is something that is kind of interesting and cool. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever small talk you're using.